Welcome to Essential Sustenance, where we talk about things food and faith. And I think we can agree that there are many things that are essential to life, such as the air we breathe, water, shelter. We need those for life. And we also need food and faith. And this channel will deal with those two things. Want to take care of mind, body, and spirit. Because God wants us not only just to survive, He wants us to thrive. And so, in terms of the food videos, as a Jamaican, of course, I'll be cooking a lot of Jamaican dishes and Caribbean inspired dishes, plus others. On the faith side, we know that faith and life sometimes they clash. Sometimes they just don't meet. And that faith is what pulls us through. And so the weekly videos that I'll be posting on faith is to encourage you, is to help you to walk that walk, is to inspire you, or maybe just to learn something new. And if any of this, the cooking, the food, if it's just the cooking, subscribe for that. And if it's the faith, subscribe for that. I would love for you to come on this journey with me on Essential Sustenance, to inspire you and to help you grow mind, body, and spirit. Please subscribe to the channel and see what's coming up. Hit the subscription bell so that anytime I post a video, which will be weekly, one for the food and one for faith, you'll be notified. God bless you and walk good. Thank you.